Good morning. Today is pretty relaxed. I'm pretty free today, so I've got time to do my own thing. I think I'm just gonna draw and then work on the short film a little bit and then just do whatever I want to do for the rest of the day. So the first thing I'm gonna work on is the travel sketchbook, which I'm gonna finish up. Okay, that was pretty fun. I'm gonna work on the short film a little bit now. So many layers. So here is the sketch, and this is the final painting. Hey, you know what time it is? It's subscribe o'clock. I'm going to be posting more regular updates on the short film in the upcoming videos. So if you want to see more of that, please consider subscribing. I've got some really cool news coming soon. Okay, time to make some tea. I guess we draw some more. So I want to try using these color pencils, which I had since I was 14 or something like that. If I could just get this open. There. So these are water-soluble color pencils, so I'm thinking of wetting them to create this watercolor effect, but my inks aren't waterproof, so I'm not so sure if this is gonna work. Well, the ink did bleed a little bit, but overall, I think it looks okay. with that, should we do some gouache? Let's do some gouache.
I think it's actually my first time doing a portrait in gouache, and I think it's okay for a first try. Not too bad. I think I'm done for the day, so I'm just gonna spend the rest of it answering emails and watching Netflix. Okay, bye.